Hey there, fellow drivers. Whether you're braving the freezing cold or cruising through scorching heat, one thing's for sure, your engine needs protection. Today, we're talking about coolants, your engine's best friend when the weather gets extreme. Want to keep your engine from freezing up in the winter or overheating in the summer? Stick around, because we're going to dive into the best coolants for the job and how to make sure your engine stays cool, no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. Why coolant matters. First things first, what does coolant actually do? Well, think of it as your engine's temperature regulator. It helps prevent your engine from freezing when temperatures plummet and stops it from overheating when the heat is on. Without the right coolant, you're putting your engine at risk of major damage. So if you're driving in extreme weather, having the right coolant isn't just a good idea, it's a must. Let's make sure you're using the best one for the job. Types of coolants. Now, let's talk about the different types of coolants out there. You've got your ethylene glycol-based coolants and propylene glycol-based coolants. Sounds complicated, but here's the breakdown. Ethylene glycol coolants. These are the most common and are known for their ability to handle both extreme heat and cold. They offer excellent protection but are toxic, so handle with care. Propylene glycol coolants. A safer, non-toxic alternative, though it may not perform as well in extremely high temperatures. It's great for colder climates and is often marketed as a more environmentally friendly option. Both types come in different colors, green, orange, pink, etc., but don't let the color confuse you. Always check your car's manual to see which type of coolant is recommended for your engine. The best coolants for extreme heat. When the heat is on, you need a coolant that can handle high temperatures without breaking a sweat. Look for coolants that offer high boiling points and anti-corrosion additives. These will keep your engine cool and protect vital components from rust and scale buildup. A top choice for hot climates is Mobil Extended Life Coolant, which is specifically designed to handle higher temperatures and provide long-lasting protection. With this in your engine, you'll be cruising in the summer heat without a worry. The best coolants for freezing cold. On the flip side, when the mercury drops, your engine needs a coolant with a low freezing point to prevent the coolant from turning into ice. A frozen engine is a nightmare waiting to happen, so make sure you're using a coolant that can handle sub-zero temperatures. One of the best options for cold weather is Mobil antifreeze coolant, designed to keep your engine safe from freezing temperatures and ensure smooth operation even in the chilliest conditions. This coolant is like a winter coat for your engine, keeping it cozy when the temperature plummets. Mixing coolants, a big no-no. Here's something a lot of drivers get wrong, mixing different types of coolants. It's tempting to just top off your coolant with whatever you have lying around, but this can cause chemical reactions that reduce your coolant's effectiveness. Mixing can also lead to sludge buildup, which can block your cooling system. Always stick to one type of coolant, and if you need to switch, flush the old coolant out completely before adding a new one. So, there you have it, the best coolants for extreme weather. Whether you're battling the heat or freezing cold, the right coolant will keep your engine protected and running smoothly. Remember, not all coolants are created equal, so make sure you're using the right one for your driving conditions. Stay smart, stay protected, keep using Mobil, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your engine in top shape, no matter what the weather throws your way.